What is going on? It is your boy, the Master of Coin. And if you don't know me, my name is Kieran Davis, aka the Master of Coin, and I've been full-time trading for the last 6 years. And we literally about an hour ago just booked a flight going to Bangkok in Thailand. So whilst I'm packing, I did end up getting involved with this little buy on Euro. It's currently in profit a little bit, but I ain't got time to do a breakdown right now. I need to shoot to the airport. So once we get to the airport, once we get to the lounge, I'll do a little breakdown, and hopefully we can go towards a target, or we might get fucking liquidated, who knows. Yes boys, just got to the airport now, and luckily we just hit one of our first targets, the Asia high. Now I'm about to board in about 5 minutes, and then we're going to see if we are going to go and extend over to our next target, which is basically my main target at like 1.4900 pretty much on Euro, which would give a nice little 1 to 18 risk to reward. Like I said, I will do a little breakdown a bit later, but we literally got to board the plane in about 5 minutes. So, sheesh, we just landed in Bangkok. This is really getting the money out.
To pay you.
Oh, we're gonna pay me with my money though, right? But yes, boys, we just landed out here in Phuket. Well, no, we didn't land in Phuket. We came from Phuket, and now we're in Bangkok. Now, obviously, in regards to that whole Euro trade, what do you reckon happened? Do you reckon we hit stop loss? Do you reckon we hit take profit? What do you reckon happened? Let me know in the comments down below. So we just ended up smacking one of our targets at a 1 to 18 risk to reward on Euro whilst we're on the plane. Now, the CPI news just come out, and that was pretty much what catalyzed this towards the target. Now, we're going to talk about the whole CPI stuff. We're going to do a proper in-depth breakdown once we get back to the hotel, so you guys can obviously understand how we've been taking these trades, and obviously how we use these news releases for market direction. Because a lot of people, they tell you, oh, avoid red folders, don't trade red folders, because they don't understand what a red folder actually means. All right, we're still in the taxi, and I'm just looking at GBP USD right now. And after the news release, we just traced back down to one of our key levels. And then when I zoomed into a lower time frame, I just actually printed my lower time frame confirmation. So I just went ahead and entered another long position on this. Currently going to be zooming out and targeting 1.360. So let's see if we can smack this little 1 to 10 on pound futures, which is GBP USD. Yes, boys, we just got to the hotel. It's dark as fuck. Very nice high floor in Bangkok, right next to the park. Absolute beautiful scenes. And you know what's even better, right? Remember, I literally, in the taxi, I literally just showed you a lot about the whole GU trade, right? Look what we're doing right now. We are, oops, it's a bit reflecting. We are starting to pump at this level. So for me, I'm not gonna really do anything until we actually break this high and the notification goes off, and then I'll be ready to actually start looking at the charts again. Now, all of these trades that I took, the Euro one and this pound one as well, everything was actually shared inside of my community. So I've got a live trading community. If you're not aware of it, you can join it by clicking the description, and I go live multiple times a week. And in there, I share everything I'm doing, from the trades I'm taking to the reasons how I'm managing it. Obviously, I'm not a fucking signal service, so don't come in and expect me to give you some shady broker link and then, you know, that rubbish. I do real education. So in my live trading community, we not only cover the economics for direction, but obviously very advanced Wyckoff methodology as well, and all of the key levels that, you know, we're looking at to trade. If you want to get in that, all the details are in the description down below. Oh, look at that night look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let me see.
Loves it. Yes, boys. Just got to this little place at Bangkok. It's about 10 o'clock at night right now. I'm fucking so hungry, bro. We found this little market by the mall. Bro, I don't know what it is, but Bangkok, I love the energy here, bro. It's fucking vibrant. It's like a better version of London without the fucking, well, it's kind of like London, but without the crime. Because I'll tell you something, London is ridden. You can't wear nothing in London, bro, without people trying to snatch you. But we put up this little market right now. Let's see what they got. Let's see. The reason why we love Bangkok, man. Just pulled up, and oh shit, now we're in the tuk-tuk. My man's about to, he's about to take us on an adventure. Oh. It's very hot, it's sticky.
Very sticky. Do not
Mate,
touch me.
I'm sweating in places I didn't even know I could sweat. But on another note, I just got my notification for GBP USD. Just hit the first target, took some nice little partial profits, moved stop loss, and now it is almost 11 p.m. at night. Screw it. Yeah, move out of the way. Yeah. Oh my God, this is chaos. Oh yeah. Oh my God. No. No. Oh my God. There we go, beautiful Bangkok. Sheesh, good morning Bangkok. What is going on? I don't know if you guys can even see me with the backlighting. Oh, it's pretty crazy. But yes, boys, we obviously just woke up, just had some breakfast, just got showered, feeling nice and clean. Now, I know I've been edging you guys for fucking hours now. It's probably been like 2 minutes into the vlog about this whole trade breakdown. Now, don't worry, I'm gonna give you the breakdown, right? I'm gonna give it to you. But sometimes you just got to have a bit of a build up. You know what I'm saying? It's like when you're with a lady, you can't just go straight in. You got anyway. No, for real. Look. So in terms of updates now, Euro ended up going and smacking our main target overnight whilst I was asleep, and is now trading at a 1:26 risk to reward ratio. Absolutely. Oh, why are we so zoomed in? Right? Absolutely stupendous confectionery. Now the pound trade is also starting to come very nicely towards our target. The risk reward's not as orgasmic, right? My final target on the pound trade is a 1:10, and we're currently, well, we was up a 1 to 8.2. Obviously my target, right, is over here, which we mentioned yesterday. So for me now, I have taken some volume off the table on this, and I'm just really waiting for it to kind of hit that final target before we close majority and then just leave a small runner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the gym, all right, because we've got we've got shit to do. We've got to get up, we've got to get active, get some of these gains in, and then from there, probably gonna explore Bangkok a little bit. I don't know, mate, I don't fucking know. All I know, right, is that I've got a call with my team later tonight. We're gonna do another live trading call, because Thursdays are some of the best trading days you can do. So let me go out, right? Oh, that lighting's better like this. I should have done it this way around. Fucking hell, bro. What am I doing, mate? Fucking hell, master of coin. There should be the master of vlogs. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna go hit the gym, take you lot with me, and then I'll finally share the trade breakdown after that. I know I've been edging you. All right, calm down, keep it in your pants, mate. We'll get into it in a minute. Yes, boys, I'm in the gym. Let's catch some pips on gold. Alright, take two, because the mic went on the first time. We just got back to the room waiting for Shorty to get changed. I can't show you that. Hopefully you can't see in my sunglasses. Otherwise that's going to be awkward. And probably get fucking taken down off YouTube. But anyway, right, I just got to let you guys know something, because this quote my mum told me rings true so much to this day. And it says, look after the pennies and the pounds will look after themselves. Meaning, look after the small expenses, be mindful where your money's going, and obviously the bigger amounts will start to build. Because when we just got to the gym, brother, how are you crazy? How are these guys trying to charge us 50 quid, 50 British pounds for a fucking 1 day gym membership? Now listen, I ain't trying to act like some brokey and cry over 50 quid, but are you crazy? You trying to pull a fast one? Are you trying to pull my leg? Like, you got to be very careful. When you have money, it's not about making more money. It's about keeping the money you have. Because if you're fucking stupid with your finances and you're wasting so much money on stupid shit, you can be making 20, 30, 50, 100K a month, but if you're spending that or more, you're still fucking broke. So funnily enough, we actually ended up getting the whole gym completely for free. Didn't even pay a penny for it. Now, not because I'm tight. Like I'm a big believer in investing into yourself for health, fitness, education, all that shit. But the point was, how are you trying to charge me 50 quid for a fucking day? Are you crazy? So be mindful of your spending. That's the whole fucking point. Oh shit. We've got some racing simulators, some game rooms. What's in here? Some chess. Oh, you already know I'm about to destroy your ass. Chess. Huh? Massage chairs. Oh, for Denisa. Oh, I already know I need to get a little video in there. Oh, they got the ping pong. What's in here? Oh, they got the cinema room and the P5. Oh, I actually gave my PlayStation to my nephew. So shout out Ollie. The boys in the McLaren, bro. Oh, yeah, shit. Oh. Yeah, boy. Oh, you on the floaty? Okay, not bad. Little rooftop pool. Okay, Bangkok. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, shit. I hope the room key's waterproof. Fuck. Just another reason why I love living in Thailand, man. It's currently 12 p.m. Markets don't even open. London session don't even open for another 2 hours. So I get all my morning, I get my whole day to live my life, do the things I want, you know, work on my business, do other things, get my health right. And then when it comes to the evenings, then I can lock in and trade. I love this game. When I used to live in London, bro, I used to hate waking up for London Open, bro. Because obviously London Open or Frankfurt Open at 7 a.m. UK time. So you've got to wake up at like 6. Oh, it's just a fucking nightmare. And then trying to go gym in the middle of the day. Oh, it's horrible, bro. So this is why I moved to Asia, mate. For the time zones. Alright guys, this is like the third attempt to trying to record this because the mic was off. But I'm finally finished edging you and it's time to actually get into the trade breakdown. Now, I've just replayed the chart back to where I was looking to, obviously took my entry. Now you might be looking at this thinking, oh my God, it's a downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low. Bro, listen, we don't look at market structure, we don't use highs and lows, we don't use order clocks and none of that ICT garbage. We focus on what we call a bit zoomed in there. We focus on the economics because if you're seeing a downtrend, right, lower lows, lower highs, order blocks, supply zones, why would any of those zones actually work out if there's no economic reason for investors to actually want to distribute and sell that currency or get rid of that asset class? Doesn't make sense. So no wonder why your downtrends are losing or you're trying to buy and it keeps fucking reversing on you because you're not paying attention to the economics and the real fundamental drivers of price. So for me, that was where the bulk of my analysis actually came from. And that's what gives me absolute certainty of this market direction. And that's why, because obviously if we're looking at Euro USD, we're trading the dollar, right? That's why we've been shorting the dollar for such a long time now. Even when we had this breakup structure to the upside and everyone was trying to buy out of here in these demand zones, there was no economic reason for buyers to step in the market. That was why we weren't buying and we've been shorting the dollar. And based on obviously more data that continues to come out, we're going to remain with that narrative as of today. Obviously, data might come out differently. What earring? I think you should choose that earring, right? Basically, obviously, if different economic data comes out, I can change my bias. But at the moment, we're seeing a massive softening of inflation, strong labor market. So we know that rate cuts are coming very soon. So that's why we're continuing to short the actual dollar. So knowing that we're shorting the dollar, right, we're going to be bullish on EU because they're diametrically opposed, which just means opposite. It sounds more fancy than it is, right? Obviously, we just confirmed this massive reaccumulation on the daily time frame. And for me, right, originally I wanted price to come into this last area down here, right? My last reaccumulation of price. However, for that to occur, it's going to need to break the lower time frame market cycle first to get permission. So I said, all right, cool. And we did this on the team call. I said to my team, look, if we come into this reaccumulation, if we come into this demand zone and we show signs of accumulation in here, right, I will look for buys. I don't know why it says distro over there. All right, I will look for buys. So on our call, we came in, we printed the accumulation, and obviously from there, I just wanted to go down to a lower time frame to get my refinement because if I'm going to enter on that time frame, mate, I'm going to have a ridiculous fat stop loss, and I ain't getting out of bed for a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Are you crazy? 1 to 5 risk to reward? I'd rather fucking wank in a cup. 1 to 5 risk to reward, bro. So anyway, right? I was playing what we call the daily cycles in here, right? Wait for it. Let's give it a little bit more price action to develop so I can, there we go, right? Where we obviously had this Frankfurt sweep for London to print the low of the day. Now, normally I do wait for a larger sign of strength, but I was happy to get in here. 1, because of the time of day, 2, because of the day of the week, and 3, because we actually printed a micro accumulation down here that met all my validation criterias. Again, I don't just trade breaks of random highs because then that would have been a loss there. I have to validate everything that goes into it. So for me, when I got my validation criteria there, that pullback into the 50% was my entry on this. And then from there, obviously, because we got a lower time frame entry, we can zoom out, right? And we can have our higher time frame targets, which was obviously targeting the high of this leg. And of course, you guys have been seeing throughout the vlog, we have gone and we've actually now smashed that target. Now, I do have another target, which I will be holding volume for as well. Speaking of which, I need to take some more partials, but I will be looking for this overall swing high up here, which would give us a 1 to 43, 1 to 44, 444 risk to reward. So let's see. I think that's the room service. All right, so let's see if this thing actually goes to the next target. All right, so now we're on a mission trying to find this store that sells all like designer handbags and all this shit, but can't quite find it. And it's crazy because one of my students, Harry, has just hit 1 year of consistent profitability. For the last 12 months, he has not had one losing month. And he actually just sent me a video. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. But shout out my guy Harry, man, just hit 1 year of profitability. And it's crazy because before he actually hit that 1 year of profitability, he tried so many other mentorships, tried so many different courses. None of it seemed to click for him. He couldn't win any trades, constantly found himself blowing accounts and just never had that air of consistency. So obviously once he joined the mentorship, we focused on the 4 skills, the technical analysis, the economic analysis, his psychology, and then journaling and refinement. And now fast forward, it's been a year of Harry having consistent back-to-back profits every single month. And if you want to be like Harry, you can go to the description and join my live trading community where Harry is inside as well. You can network with not only him, but the rest of the other traders that we work with as well. This boy has been a fat fuck right now in the middle of Cheesecake Factory, right? Pre-ing all these cheesecakes, and guess just what happened with Euro, mate? Oh, look at all these cakes, but even better than the cakes, bro. Look what happened with Euro USD. We just smacked our fucking target we spoke about this morning, bro. Disgusting. 1 to 44 risk to reward. Don't get better than that. Doesn't get better than that, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting for cheesecake, and we got the fucking 1 to 44. Back to the team call now and see if we can scalp the New York Open. Let's see if there's any other setups today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh hey, yes boys, just got back to the crib and we just finished up our team call. Got everyone right, did some trade recaps for the squad. And guess what? Nope, not that. Euro and pound just smacked our next targets. I think I showed you the Euro one earlier. GU just hit the target, that nice little 1 to 10 we spoke about yesterday on the vlog. So now I have taken significant partials on these trades. I do have a little bit higher targets for these to run to, but if I'm going to be honest with you, we just had some news, bro, that it doesn't make sense for these things to continue. So if you see, oh, that's just a Zoom meeting converting. But we just had inflation reading come out with a small uptick. If we quickly open, let this load. Hold up, let me show you guys. But yeah, normally when you see these inflation upticks, you see these pullbacks. So for me, I'm pretty much finished trading for the week. I'm not going to bother trying to trade anything else. Like, you know, I've had 2 take profits. You know, it's Thursday already. Normally I'd be trying to scalp the New York Stock Exchange, but you know, seeing that PPI uptick as well is not good. The year-over-year front. Sorry, the Henny's flowing a little bit now. Anyway, so for me now, I think it's just a case of get up a little bit more mischief. Trades have hit take profit. Obviously, I can hold them. We just got a little pizza delivered. All right, boy. Oh my God, tell me these cheesecakes don't look good. But the cheesecake is tempting me. Look. So what cheesecake did we get? Come tell them what cheesecakes we got. Come. They want to hear from you. They're waiting. What do we get? We got a new bag for shopping. Not this one, this one. So we got this flavor. This is what?
This is a berry cheesecake.
Okay, we'll
with
try.
Extra whipped cream.
Okay, we'll try these now. Oh, it's too much.
Don't.
Take it. No, this is not turned into one of those channels. All right, so we got this one.
It's turning into only trading.
Only trading. I can't lie.
That's funny.
That whipped cream, I had this American expectation. Anyway, what else we got? We got this. What one's that? Oh my god, it's a mess in
This
here.
is berry.
Bro, what hotel room has a washing machine, blood? Like, shout out Bangkok. So we got the what? The very berry.
Yeah, berry. And the original, but with strawberry.
Yeah, that's gonna be like crack. And then we got this. This is not the cinnamon one, is it?
No, this is the cookies and cream.
Oh, cookies and cream, right? Oh, it looks a bit sad. Why is it like this, babe? Why is it like this?
Because it doesn't have anyone to hold on to.
Oh, and tell them to join the live trading community quick. Huh?
Join the what?
Beautiful, beautiful people. So obviously after the mischief, we didn't really get up to much mischief. I can't lie. Like we was gonna go hit the club and go turn up and go and have a great time. But to be honest with you, I couldn't be arsed, man. Maybe I'm getting older. But you know, we got to the club and I just thought, bro, like, I'd rather go home. To be honest with you, mate. Just boys, just got to this little VR place. They got like bare activities, some games and shit. So about to do some 2-player shooting game or something, and she's about to get absolutely smoked.
Said who?
Oh wait. Oh, we're entering the Matrix. Oh wait. Oh. Oh, that's crazy.
Scared.
Oh, someone's touching me.
Yeah, that's mine.
Whoa, I wish I
Okay.
could show you guys inside of this.
Huh.
I got a gun. Pew! That's crazy how it sees my hands. Okay, I think it's recording. Is it red? Okay, whoa.
Oh, there's a couch.
There's a couch and shoot the squares sometimes. Oh, missile, move, 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 move. Whoa! Oh, kill it. This is pretty crazy. Yes, boys, now we just pulled up to this head spa. I've been seeing it all over TikTok, all over social media, and I thought, let me try it out. So we just got here, and it took us so long to get it, bro. We had to get the train, we had to get the tube, we had to get about 1,000 taxis because it was raining. It was crazy. And now they just brought me a little champagne.
It's not champagne.
It's not champagne, it's tea. But it looks like champagne, so chin chin. Yeah, we dripped out, bro. They give you pajamas and that. Show yourself, matching. Get a little fake champagne. A blanket. Oh, we got stars in the ceiling. Oh yeah, I'm about to get right for the little massage. Oh yeah. Ready to sleep now, mate. Pampered. Give me a tea and that. So it's saying, I've got about half the River Thames in my ear. Can't even lie, that was absolutely fantastic. How do you feel? Ooh, look at her. I feel like a bad bitch, bro. Well, I don't even start my hair like this. You know, it doesn't matter. Anyway, now we need to get some food or something, mate. Oh yeah, there's some fancy shit, boys. Oh yeah. It's about to pull up to Nobu right now. I know they got a Nobu in London. Oh my God, this is fancy as fuck. So they come. I know they got a Nobu in London, so we're gonna try the one in Bangkok. To Nobu? Yeah. Oh, where we go? Oh, this lift. Oh, this is fancy. Perfect. See what it's saying, boys? Oh, tuna tings. What are you saying? All right, let's try this. See what it's saying. Very zesty. We're hitting that spice too. Oh yeah. Second one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A bit of miso, a little bit of sushi, a little bit of akora. Can't go wrong, mate.
So you don't dip the rice. You dip the fish.
Dip the fish. Go on, dip that fish. Oh, you gotta flip it upside down. Dip that. Oh yeah. I zoomed straight into your mouth. Straight in there. You okay? As soon as I press record. Skyline, bro. Fucking hell. Excuse me. Holy boys and girls. Oh, this is near our hotel, babe. That's the Mechanicon. Our hotel is that way. It was Diamond's Dance. And I was looking at
Needs to be a wedding ring.
I was actually looking at a little diamond bracelet for you, but we'll see.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hello. Oh, the food's here. All right, bet. We're getting lost with the vlog and the food's here. Sheesh, nice views. All right, let's see what it's saying. Oh, what the fuck is this? Is this? Oh, it better not be pork. What is that? Where's the rest? Black cod miso. Let's try black cod. Wow. Pretty good. Try it with the yuzu sauce. Oh, wow. That's good. Even with the meat things in there. Okay, bro. I'm gonna be so fat off of this. 6 courses, are you crazy? I'm the only guy sitting in here with pink camouflage shorts, Nikes, and a Gucci cap. But you know what? It don't matter. We're in the best restaurants with the best people. You know why? Because we're trading. That's why, boys and girls. Oh, is it malt? Let me try.
It's not necessarily mold, but it's hair.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at it. Look at it. Ooze. Ooze, bitch. Oh yeah. You know what that reminds me of? Me after a fucking curry. Okay, I'll rephrase it. Me after your cooking. Oh, now your cooking is great. You can see how good it is.
Because I cook for taste, not for, what do you call it?
Fuel. No, you need to eat for fuel, bro. You can't eat, it's not all about taste. Taste is cool, but you gotta eat for fuel.
No, you only live once. Eat for taste.
Not me. You live once, you crazy? And me, I live forever. Not once. 1 is equal to 0, and 0 is eternity. And eternity is of the essence of the, I don't know what we're going there. Let me eat the cake. All right, tonight is a night of mischief. Does it have a horn? Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, okay.
Beep, beep. Yeah, boys, the tuk-tuks in fucking Bangkok. You know the vibes. Tonight is a night of mischief.
Yeah.
You got a little 20 for him? Give me a little 20.
Thank you so much.
Kopang kap. Thank you, thank you. Kopang kap. Oh yeah. Oh, can I connect? How do I connect?
Name,
Can you do wheelie? Wheelie?
No.
Wheelie?
Okay.
No.
Bro, the old ones are not fucking hell. Alright, so this is where the mischief starts. We're gonna get up some sort of mischief. This is called Khao San Road. This is the mischief area of Phuket. Not Phuket. We're in fucking Bangkok. This is where the mischief begins. Called Khao San Road. This is the debauchery night. This is where we get up to mischief. So I don't know how much I'm gonna record, but maybe, I don't know, this ain't hashtag Brady, so we'll see the fucking vibe, boys. Crazy, man, the scorpions and that, it's fucking crazy.